When
Yep.
I moved to Mississippi, whole different story. I have, and I'm grateful. I have a much younger staff. My average age is actually 40. And I have 11 people in their 20s. I've got 16 people in their 30s. I've got
Wow.
11 people in their 40s, 6 in their 50s, and 5 in their 60s. So
Wow.
I feel much more balanced than
Kudos to you.
I was.
Celebrate
Great.
that victory right there, Stacia. That is a recipe for long-term success, because you are able to transfer that knowledge and that wisdom amongst all those different individuals, and also capture it in the different formats, because the 60-year-old person's probably not going to go create the Excel file, but the young 20-year-old can go do that and teach them, and vice versa, and they're learning from each other. And congratulations, that's spectacular.
That's awesome.